Don from Kanen Coffee. Today we're gonna test this beautiful Breville Oracle espresso machine. Actually, it's a warranty repair. It comes to us with, like, the customer was complaining after he made, like he said, he made the first shot. It's perfect. Like after the 20 minutes, after like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, the second shot is not working well. And when it comes here, like I tested, I noticed actually there is some water coming, but it's like even from the first shot, it's not 100%. So we test every single part in a water cycle. Everything looks good. Even the water pump, which is this one, it was like sometimes good, but it's struggling and it's not working well. So look at it. It's from 2018. So I get replaced it and the machine now works perfect. Actually, I tried it yesterday, kept it on, made coffee again and again, and today I made like 4 times before I decided to say like it's okay, it's perfect now. So let's go ahead and test it again. We replaced it with a new water pump. Okay. This is the hot water. On the 30 seconds, look at this beautiful shot. 3 layers of coffee with thick crema. So let's do it again and make another shot. I'll just wash the cup and water filter. Okay, fair. Another great shot with espresso. Yeah, look at this. This looks great. So let me test the steamer. That's good. And the hot water. It works perfect too. Let me test it and see the water from the group head. The water strength, how is it? Yeah, this is the perfusion a little bit. Then now it's gonna give the light. Yeah, that's perfect. So the machine functioning perfect 100% now. Thank you for watching.